How to fix this video file cannot be played in Google Chrome. So if you're seeing the error message 22043, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve the issue. Now, first thing you'll need to do is click on the three vertical dots in your browser and then just scroll down this page and click on Settings. From the left-hand side, select System and you'll see Use Graphics Acceleration. Now go and turn off this option like so, and then just press the relaunch button. Once your Google Chrome browser has restarted, you can check to see if that solves the playback issue. Now, if it's still not working, we're going to come back over to that settings window. This time click on Privacy and Security and then scroll down and press Delete Browsing Data. Now make sure all of these different options are selected like so. You could then press More and select All Time. Now press Delete Data. And once your data's been deleted, check to see if it solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, we're going to click on the three vertical dots again, click on Extensions and press Manage Extensions. Now if you currently have any Google extensions enabled like this, then you'll need to go and toggle them all to off. Now you can do that just by pressing this button to off, and once you've disabled all of your Google Chrome extensions, that should have now solved any playback errors.